Hey guys, it's Volkswagen Mechanic back with another video, and like I promised before, I'm going to be showing you how to replace an air filter on my 2012 Troy-Bilt Pony mower. And I'm sorry guys if that I was kind of late on this, but the part took a while to come in. Anyways, this is pretty much self-explanatory. It's like the easiest thing to replace on this mower, but for some of you that might not know how to do it, this is how. So first of all, you see these two knobs here. You're going to twist those to the unlock position, and then you want to lift this cover off. And this is the old air filter. It has a metal cage around it. You want to just lift that up and then pull it off the pipe there. Then you want to grab your new one, which, look, you're comparing them how much dirt the old one had in it. Which I don't know why this new one doesn't have a metal cage around it too. Maybe they quit doing that because it was kind of costly to do metal. And it makes sense because, like, metal is kind of, what's the point of having that metal cage? Anyways, you bring the new one over. You do the same thing. You kind of, like, push it on and then slide it down like that. Then you grab the cover. You put it on, try your best to align the holes, make sure the dials are at unlock, then you just turn them to lock, and there you go. That's how you put it on. And if you guys are wondering what the part number is for these new filters, I think it's maybe 59424201, I don't know. But yeah, it's a Briggs and Stratton part. Anyways, guys, very short, simple video, but I hope it helped you. I hope it helped you. And I don't know when our next video will be, but until then, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.